Hi, my name's Fran. I'm a past student of Lakefield. So I was in Lakefield in 2015. I did several courses here. So I did professional cookery, hospitality services, and then supervision and leadership. I chose to come into hospitality after doing my degree in history, and I decided I wanted something a little bit more practical. So that's when I came to Lakefield, and I studied here. I feel like what I got from Lakefield was the practical experience at the same time as learning the theoretical side. And for me that was really important because to have the practical application the whole time and working in an actual environment, it was really important for me. From the whole course I gained a lot of skills, leadership skills, communication, organisation, and I learnt a lot from the mentors and the professors here. Advice that I would give to anybody starting Lakefield would be to make use of the knowledge of the teachers and the professors, and to ask loads of questions. So very often we take the content of the course and we just kind of run with it, but it can be really helpful to further that by asking for the professor's experience, all the contacts of the different people, the patrons who come to help in Lakefield. They have so much experience which can be really useful to tap into, even just to ask them different ways that they had to implement the things that you're learning in their environment, so you can get a really good idea of what's going on in the industry currently, but also learning from the wisdom of those who have come before us in the industry. What was most helpful for me about the course was that the practical side, but also the extent to which there was a lot of freedom to pursue the ways in which you wanted to further the information. So it wasn't just that you have to follow the strict guidelines of the course in terms of content. You have a lot of freedom in how you want to shape the presentation of your work and everything. And for me, I really loved that opportunity to express myself and to express how I saw the content that we were going through. I would describe the hospitality industry as like very exciting, in that there's so many different avenues, there's so many different ways that you can operate in this industry. It's very dynamic, and I love the fact that well, for me, the hospitality is all about people, and I love that you can pursue that focus in so many different ways, whether you want to be a chef or whether you want to be working in housekeeping, in hotels or whatever. And I think for me there's a lot of opportunity to be really, really creative, and I mean, you meet a lot of people with a lot of passion and a lot of passion and a lot of creativity, and that's really, really exciting to be a part of and to experience. So I've got quite a few personal development skills from the mentors that I work with, and from getting feedback within the department of my work. One of the things I would say is like priority and organisation. I learned a lot about that from my tutors, and for me, learning the important moment when my creativity was when I needed to put it in a chronological order, maybe more than just pursuing it whenever I liked. And I think that was really helpful for going now in my career, looking at people management, and because obviously you can have all the most amazing ideas in the world and you can be very, very creative, but sometimes managing your time, managing how that is going to play out within a team, it's very important to have those qualities of organisation and clarity for the rest of the team, because maybe I find it really exciting to do whatever, whenever, but obviously that's not the way that everybody else feels. So yeah, putting things into perspective, not just looking at my own passions and what I want to pursue, but how to bring a team together in order to achieve those ends whilst drawing on all of their strengths. And I feel like that's something that the mentors and the professors in Lakefield really did very well, in terms of harnessing each person's capacities and their strengths and putting them to work towards a goal.